the accusation lands, and your body wants to explain immediately.
Your brain screams, fix the story or lose the room. A dinner party jab hits, and every eye waits for your reaction. Are you actually competent here?
A lover twists one sentence, and you reach for endless context.
Here is the invisible trap. Defending hands them the frame. Defense appoints them judge, and you the defendant. Once you enter their court, you start proving instead of leading. Over-explaining invites cross-examination, more questions, less respect.
People don't measure truth first, they measure your neediness.
Your delivery leaks status before your logic even lands.
When you plead to be understood, you trade respect for relief.
KMT calls this mind trap the courtroom trap. The courtroom is imaginary, but your nervous system treats it as real.
Biology floods you, cortisol up, breath short, voice faster.
Urgency is a tell. Your stability depends on their agreement.
Agreement is never guaranteed, especially during conflict.
In conflict, opponents discount your words the moment you offer them.
Negotiators call it reactive devaluation. Value drops because you said it.
So defending can shrink credibility while expanding their control.
KMT calls this mind trap the good child trap.
Childhood taught you, explain fast, and authority spares you.
You grew up, but the reflex stayed wired in.
Now you project authority onto bosses, partners, strangers, and trolls. Please approve me so I can feel safe.
Your opinion is data, not a verdict.
This is emotional sovereignty, governing reactions from inside.
You stop outsourcing your inner state to their mood.
The power move starts with one rule: keep your timing.
Tool 1 is 7-second silence, the move they can't counter.
"7 seconds is the ceiling, not the starting point. Start with 3 seconds, then build to 7 as control improves.
Silence breaks the reflex and buys you cognitive oxygen.
Hold neutral face, steady eyes, relaxed jaw.
Won't rescue the tension they created.
Attackers rely on your reaction to complete their script. When you don't react, their script collapses mid-sentence. They backpedal, soften, or over-explain to fill the vacuum.
Your silence becomes a dark mirror they see themselves.
Use 7 seconds when the jab is vague and emotional. Use 7 seconds when the goal is your reaction. Silence is a tool, not a personality.
If words are required, speak without defending.
Tool 2 is clarity, without pleading. Ask specifics: which action, which moment, which outcome. Specificity
collapses drama into facts. If they can't specify, the point was control.
If they can specify, address the fact and the next step. Tool 3 is fogging. Agree with truth, refuse shame.
You're right, the report has errors.
I'll correct them by 3 p.m.
Notice what you don't touch, the insult label.
You own behavior, not the identity they assign.
Secure people admit mistakes quickly. They don't bleed status.
Insecure people fight labels and leak power with every sentence.
Fogging disarms anger by removing resistance without surrender.
Tool 4 is agree and amplify, only for absurd accusations.
Defending validates the absurdity and signals it hurt.
Amplify turns their knife into a prop.
Absolutely, I keep a private jet in the driveway.
Deliver it flat, with calm amusement.
The signal says, this topic isn't your weak spot. Never amplify serious allegations, contracts, or safety issues. In serious cases, answer briefly with facts and process.
Tool 5 is refusing the defendant role with better questions, not psychoanalysis. Use curiosity that returns responsibility.
What makes this important to you right now?
What would a good outcome look like to you?
You shift from trial to negotiation.
You guide structure, and structure is power. Tool 6 is one-sentence boundaries.
I'll discuss this, but not while I'm being insulted.
Then stop talking. Boundaries weaken when you justify them.
Calm tone. Slow pace. No rush to prove anything.
Words are a minority. Frame is mostly nonverbal.
Posture, breath, and eye contact set the hierarchy.
Defense reveals buttons, intelligence, morality, belonging, desirability.
Once they find a button, they press it again.
7-second silence hides buttons and breaks the game.
Now the deeper reason. Why does it sting?
Because it touches a wound you fear might be true.
Call you green-skinned, you laugh. No identity hook.
Call you a failure, you defend. Hook detected.
Shadow work means owning flaws without collapsing.
Sometimes I can be selfish, and I'm working on it.
Self-knowledge dissolves shame. Exposure loses its weapon.
Real defense is internal agreement over external approval.
Non-defense isn't arrogance. It's self-trust under pressure.
Timing matters. Sometimes explanation is necessary.
explain when accountability, safety, or contracts require clarity.
Don't explain to soothe someone's ego or anxiety. Don't explain when the goal is your reaction.
Choose the channel, private talk, written record, formal process. Use short facts, clear next steps, zero pleading.
When feedback is sincere, thank them and ask for one example.
When tone turns abusive, name it once, then disengage.
Leaving is power. Don't negotiate inside a burning room.
Train this label and doing spill.
Train this skill in low-stakes moments first.
Your body must learn calm before real conflict arrives.
Rehearse 3 neutral phrases until they feel automatic. Noted. Understood. I'll handle it.
Then breathe and hold your pace.
Practice 7-second silence in safe situations first.
Let the discomfort rise, then watch it fall. You are teaching your nervous system new authority. Now the experiment is 7 days of no defensive explanations.
If you're late, say, "I'm late." Stop.
If you spill coffee, say, "I spilled it." Clean it.
Feel the urge to add context and let it pass.
Watch what changes when you stop managing perceptions. Some people escalate. They needed your submission.
Some people soften. They needed your reaction.
Your energy returns when you plug the over-explaining leak. You move from reactive child to sovereign adult.
Try the 7-day test, then report what changed.